Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane.
Hello YouTube, and welcome to a SAP technology tutorial. This is the second episode of the HTML series, and let's hop right into it without any other further ado. Actually, I lied. We're gonna do something. So before we start this episode, I want to do a quick recap on what we did last episode, since it's been quite a while. First of all, last time we installed a text editor, some sort. The links were in the description of the first episode, which I'll leave a link to in the description. And second, you should have created a folder somewhere to save your website documents in. And if you really, really want to, you can have some third other thing, but we're not going to be doing that. So quickly just open up your text editor here. It can be anything that you can write with. It doesn't have to be the three that I said. It can be anything that you can type with. Any text editor at all. It's just easier to use something like this. Or if you know of some other one, you can tell me. Last episode, I ended saying that I said that we would learn about link tags. So let's start with image tags. The tag for image is A. So begin tag A and end tag. Now here's the fun part. Just you can type something. And we're going to type this is not a link right here. Perfect. Now if we run live preview real quick, it'll load, and voila, we have our this is a link, and this is not a link. And you might notice something. It lied to us. This is not a link. So what's the use? We can link it to stuff. So real quickly for this tutorial, you can follow along if you like to. I'm going to create a new file, and we're going to call this website numero 2. You can name it literally whatever you want. This is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so we're going to add a new attribute to our dictionary of attributes, and this one's going to be called, actually I'm in the wrong tag. Okay, we're going to add a tag called href. Href, I don't know what it means. Just type in href, and then when you do href, equal sign and quotations, and then enter your web page. Next, after you're done this, you should have this nice little long thing now, and this little short thing now. So now, when we're done, we can go over here, and voila, this is a link. Now, to prove that this actually works, I'm going to quickly fill out this website thing here, so give me a sec. Okay, I'm just about done. Now that we're done explaining that, we're going to talk about this secondary website I just created. It says nothing much. The title is, hey, this is number 2. And all in it is a paragraph that says, hey, this is number 2. ... Ha 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 ha, you're stuck. So, you'll see why I did that in a second. So, this is this. This is the link. Let's click it. Hey, this is number 2. Ha ha ha, you're stuck. Yeah, we can't really go back unless we edit that URL. So, you can also add a link both ways, and you should be good there. Let's quickly go over here, and now the go back option's there, and now we can go back and forth, and voila. Okay, that's nice and all, but you may have noticed, or maybe you did, but when you think about a link, you don't think of your own custom things. Sometimes the links lead you to other things like a Gmail account, Like, you can click that link and then it'll set up an email where you can email that person, or it takes you to like a YouTube page, a Twitter page, social media pages. Usually it takes you to stuff like that. And in that case, you can't just go like, well, wait, let me just do this. You can't just go create another tag, be like, YouTube. You can't do this and just be like, .html. You can't do that, because guess what? You don't have all of YouTube saved in your little folder, do you? I hope not. What have you been putting in there? Just kidding. But yeah, right here we only have 3 files, and I don't see any YouTube in here. So now you may be asking, how do we get a social media page, a Gmail account? How do we get these things to be a link in our very own website here? How do other people do it? Well, I am going to tell you that right now, because I don't know why I didn't do that before. So here, let's go to a website that you want to go to. I'm going to open up YouTube. Okay, so if you found yourself something to use it. So here, we have this perfectly good YouTube channel here, and we're going to use this as our test. Go up here to the top and just copy the URL, because we're going to need that. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to do this. We're going to copy the channel, and we're going to make a link for the channel, and we're also going to make a link for one of these videos. So in brackets, we're going to do href, because we learned about href, and we're going to command and paste, or control and paste, this whole URL here. And what this does is it tells brackets, or your web page HTML5 thing, hey, you can't find this inside a folder. You're going to have to go onto the web to find it, because it's a whole URL. It doesn't end in HTML.html, and it's a link. So it's going to search the web for it and bring you to your page, like so. We're going to quickly go to our, we are going to have to go to, where did it go? In here? Yeah. We're going to go right here and click, this is the link, YouTube, my channel. This is a separate link we forgot to delete. You don't have it existed, I hope not. So you're going to click my channel, and voila, it takes you to the channel, because we just copied and pasted this link. Now, we can obviously change this if we want. And now we're going to do the video portion. Let's quickly go to our latest video here about honey. It's a good software, you should get it. And also, shout out to Bread Sandwich. It's cool. Anyway, we're going to take this video's URL command, and we're going to do a new tag. Not this video, the video we copied and pasted. And we're going to paste this now. And now if we live preview, what we should get now is a perfectly good honey video link, which we can click. We can now get this, and then we can watch this video. And yeah, we can watch this about honey. And now we have this fully authentic, cool thing here. So yeah, now that we're done that, let's talk about image tags. So now you have things to create a perfectly good website. You know how to make paragraphs, you know how to make titles, you know how to make links. Oh wait, actually we're not even done links yet, wait a minute. Sorry, I completely forgot about this step. Now we're going to talk about emails, because they're emails. So, email me. Obviously, this isn't going to be a real email. Okay, so to email, add an email, just type in href, =, quotes, then type in mail to, that, and then the email that you wish to use. And what we're going to do is we're going to click enter, or save, actually save. And now we're going to retry this email me link. And there you go. It just opened up mail, because I don't have anything. This is the channel account, and I don't have anything already loaded. So it's going to send me to my classic mail thing. You can obviously change this, but this is the basic thing. Whatever they have set up for email. So yeah, there, now we have an email me thing. I think that wraps up links. I'm not forgetting anything, I don't think. Yeah, so that's mail, that's that, that's it, that's it, that's that.